Alright, in today's video, we're going to look at the element of a matrix. If this is your first time, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload new content, you will be notified. Alright, we have element of a matrix. What is a matrix? By definition, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and column. Arranged in rows and column. We can also say that the numbers in the matrix are called elements. The numbers in the matrix are called elements. Alright, so let's see an example of a matrix. Let's say we have a matrix A. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, for instance. Are you seeing it? Let's say we have matrix A. From the definition, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in the rows and column. So these are rows. Then down are columns. Are you seeing it? So if you want to describe a matrix A, like for instance, you want to describe this matrix A. So matrix A is 1 to 3. We have 3 rows by 3 columns. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix if you want to identify the rows and columns of the matrix. Also, if you want to identify another example, let's say we have matrix B. Let's say we have A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. You want to identify this matrix because the alphabet inside, they are called the element of the matrix. The alphabet inside, but the same alphabet can be numbers too. Alright, so you can say B is 1, 2. These are the rows and these are the column. We want to identify this and say these are 2 rows by 2 column. We can also have C. Let's say we have C as this. We can also have, let's say, A, B, C, D, E, and F. Also have this. We can say C is, to identify this, we can say is how many rows. We have row here, we have column here. How many rows? We have 3 rows by how many column? Column is 2. I seen it. Also, we can also have, let's say D. We can also have, let's say A, B, C, D, E, and F. Also possible. So how this is my row and this is my column as usual. So you can say D is given by how many rows? 2 rows. 2 by what? 2 by what? How many column? 3. So this is how you can identify a matrix based on the rows and column. Alright. Let's look at the types of matrix. We have different types of matrix. Different types of matrix. Different types of matrix. We have a square matrix. We have diagonal matrix. We also have identity matrix. We have number 4. Also have zero matrix. We have transpose transpose of a matrix too. We have transpose